Look at the balcony. And then we're gonna take a deep breath in. All the way up. Let it go. Ooh.
Now that one, I definitely felt that.
Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Kristina Howell, Atlanta's mobile chiropractor, and I am here with Brittany, a traveling nurse, and this will be her first adjustment. We're gonna get her right before she gotta go to work today. And so you're having lower back pain, neck pain, not so much.
Not so much.
Headaches.
Yeah, headaches often.
I'm gonna press down on the top of your head and you're not there's any discomfort. Okay? And I'm gonna look up right here. Okay? Alright, tilt over to the side. Anything?
Yeah, I'm just a little pressure here.
Alright, and then the other side, a little pressure. Anything? Good. Press your arm, press your chest. And forward. Drop your shoulder. And turn. Okay? Alright, same thing. Drop your shoulder and turn. Anything?
Yeah.
Right there. Right in the shoulder. Alright. So go ahead and lay on your stomach. We're going to go ahead and start with the massage, okay? What time are you here to work?
You're going at 3 to 11 to.
So you get a break between that 45 minutes for me?
Yeah, I get an hour break in between for both. Like it's 8 hours.
Okay, 8-hour shift, hour break?
Yeah.
So I started my workout journey last year. So July is a year.
Okay.
And I lost 35 pounds. Yeah, so yeah, because I was stuck at 60. So yeah, I lost 35 pounds. And I've been able to keep it off. But I'm not done yet. So it took me about a year to slowly get it instead of, I wanted to do a route where it wouldn't bounce back on me.
Okay.
So it definitely took a lot longer than others. But I've noticed like I haven't been in the gym in a month and I still weigh the same. I actually weigh a little bit less, but that means that I'm just losing muscle mass right now. But muscle is honestly what helps you burn that fat. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna check out your leg. You guys wanna come see how your mama's leg is short?
I'm done with my
cereal. So you have your right leg is shorter than your left right now. Y'all wanna come look?
Yeah.
Which leg looks longer? If you look at her feet, which leg looks longer? Yeah.
Girl, disregarding not putting no lotion on.
Ain't nobody worried about that. You wanna come look? No, you wanna come look?
It's not scared.
No.
He's getting nervous. He didn't want to come downstairs.
Oh, he's fine. I'm not gonna hurt her, I promise.
I told him that.
Alright, so what I want you to do is with a straight leg. Don't bend the knee, just lift this leg off the table. Don't bend this knee, just lift your leg up off the table. Good. Alright, and then the other one. Was one more difficult than the other?
Harder than the thing.
Oh, alright, go ahead. Which one was more difficult than the other?
Both.
One was harder?
This one.
That one? Alright, here goes the activator, okay? You're gonna feel it here, here, and on the glute.
Okay.
Your hands are so cute.
Thank you. Thank you. That's
He's gonna stop growing at 3. Look at the counter.
the counter.
Just look that way. Yeah, perfect. Take a deep breath in for me. All the way out. Good. That's it. Look at the balcony. And then you're gonna take a deep breath in. All the way up. Let it go.
Ooh. Now that one, I definitely felt that. That was good, okay?
All right, deep breath in. All the way out. Drop your shoulder. Head straight back. Back to me.
Back this way?
Yeah. And then drop. So what you're gonna do is go back this way. Alright, so the next one you're just gonna look straight up. Perfect. Drop that left cheekbone just like that. Alright, you're gonna feel pressure here and here. Okay? Deep breath in. Relax your head, let it go.
Oh. Whoa, okay.
From someone who's experienced it. And those you'll find far and in between. You know? Mm-hmm. Of course, if you have 1 million people, there's going to be one person who didn't like it, possibly. All right. Lift your head straight back. And drop your head, cheekbone just right there. Yeah. All right, deep breath in. All the way up. Whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and sit up and you're gonna... Alright, so I'm gonna do your neck now, okay?
Okay.
So do me a favor, scoot over this way a little bit. So your head's gonna go right in the hole. Yep, perfect. Just gonna let it fall. Relax that muscle. I'm gonna let you fix your head wrap.
It's okay, girl. It's gonna come off. But I need to do. I need to go ahead and tell you how this is wrapped. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Where'd that come from? I didn't know you. Wait, I didn't know you could crazy. You know what? I ain't gonna say nothing.
Oh, we ain't
nothing
done.
else.
We ain't done yet.
I didn't know you could pull like that and you know crack it from going up. I know the sides and the sides.
Huh?
I know the sides and the sides now.
I had to pull it faster on you.
You did.
You're just gonna relax like this.
Oh my God.
So like this, you're just kind of like that. So kind of interlace them just like this. So what's gonna happen is my arms are gonna go through here. And you're gonna fall on me.
Okay.
Hold on. So does that make sense?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna relax and
Absolutely.
girl, I'm heavy.
You're not heavy. Alright, so you're gonna follow me. Take a deep breath in. We're gonna do a good stretch. Alright, one more time. Deep breath in. Let everything go. Look up to the ceiling for me. Ooh.
Oh man. You should see my face is first. Yeah, my first adjustment.
I'm gonna adjust your ears now.
Oh my God.
So if you want, you can face her if you want. Look around.
You wanna see her adjust my ears? You wanna
You can hold it. You can hold it while you're
adjust my ears? Okay.
Alright, so you're face forward. I'm just going to touch your earlobe. When I ask you to, you're just going to let your head fall to me, okay? And you're just going to feel a little tug. Nothing crazy. Alright, let your ear fall to me. There we go. See? Not that bad.
Not bad.
Told you.
Not bad. I thought my ear was gonna come off.
I had one patient say, you're going to take it and run with it. I was like, what? Alright.
That's funny.
Let it fall to me. Yeah.
Okay, I felt that.
Excellent.
Oh, dang. Okay, that was me there. It's like, oh man, you neglected me right now.
You're doing great there. You're doing great. You shouldn't fall.
What gym you going to? Which one?
Relax your hand for me.
In my thing.
Do you have something in your hand? Oh, your earrings.
Okay.
Here,
Yeah.
I'll let you switch. I was like, give me your hand.
I'm like, no, give me my hand back. Oh, no.
Relax your wrist. Alright, we'll switch hands.
Okay. We hold on these earrings if you're like.
Right. Like I would be too.
Where your gas tank at? She was just talking about her gas tank and I'm listening. Brenda. Where your gas tank at?
Look that way. Alright. So in a minute, I'm gonna have you stand up and you're gonna walk around. Let me turn it down this minute.
Move around. Okay.
Let's go.
My back ain't.
Hey!
I'm like, wait, what's going on with my back? It ain't hurt no more. It ain't thriving. Okay. Yeah.
All right, everybody,